Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the pre-market show. Today is the 10th of March, and let us jump right into the charts and to see what happened in the US markets yesterday, how it closed, and what to expect going into the trade today in the market. So, first off, Nifty closed yesterday at 16,301 level, and from there we had seen a green candle after many days after a huge fall actually. So so let's hope the positivity continues today. And although the global cues are very negative, it continues to be bearish. The Dow Jones, Nasdaq, everything is falling. So if you see the Dow Jones futures, actually still it's at a very low level. It is taking support around the low levels of it's at a major support area 32,200, although going down. 32,000 is a round figure support to be watched out for. Coming to Nasdaq, same thing. In Nasdaq, it's highly oversold, and if I look at the 5-minute chart in Nasdaq, you will see that towards in the last few hours, it has actually, the Nasdaq futures have recovered a lot. So, and same with S&P 500, it has been recovering in the last few hours, although it is falling again as we speak. And coming to SGX Nifty, we can see that in SGX Nifty we have 16,203 level. It is showing in SGX Nifty, although it has made a panic low of around 16,064 while closing. So from there it has recovered steadily, owing to the futures, US futures, and also the Asian markets, although all of them are down. So if you look at the Japanese market, the Nikkei, it has also stabilized a bit, and so that is being reflected in SGX Nifty as well. So only good thing about the Indian markets is the US, the crude oil prices actually. So it has around $101 right now. So the crude oil has been trading around $113, $115 very recently, and crude oil coming down. You can see them in the daily charts that the way crude oil is falling. So it's actually a respite for crude oil importing countries like India, which spends huge amounts of money in importing crude oil. Coming to the dollar index, we have seen that the dollar index is gaining strength, and Indian rupee is actually depreciating quite a lot, although we see some kind of corrections from there, although it's very less. You can see it's almost at an all-time high. Indian rupee, USD is at almost all-time high. So let us see if this recovers. And obviously yesterday the IT indexes, they held up. The companies like Infosys and TCS, and also the HDFC twins, the HDFC and HDFC Bank, both of them helped to stabilize the market. And hopefully today they also trade in green, so that we can expect some kind of positivity. The only major share to drag the index down was the Reliance Industries, as we know, after the good results, but it was not expected as per the market sentiments. People expected better, and so Reliance had fallen around 4% yesterday. So it is again at a major psychological support level of 2,500. So if the stock can reverse from here, or it can take support, we can hope the Nifty can stabilize around this level. Otherwise we can see again a major downfall. Coming to levels of Bank Nifty, as we have discussed multiple times, that Bank Nifty has a major support at around 34,000 levels on the lower side, although for a slight moment it was broken. 34,000 was broken yesterday, and from there the markets have recovered, and on the upside 35,000 is again a major resistance level to look out for. The Nifty pre-open figures have already come out. It's around 16,248, which is almost 52 points down from yesterday's close. So again, although market is opening gap down, it's not a huge gap down, and looking by the daily candle, it can be an inside candle for today, which means the market can move up from here, or it can go down from here if either the day's high is broken or the day's low is broken. So yesterday's high and yesterday's lows are very important to keep in mind if you are trading today in Nifty. And that's all. The markets will be opening up in a few minutes, and keeping an eye on India VIX. India VIX is around 22 levels, which is still on the higher side, but it is not that high given the fact that the market has fallen almost 1200 points in a matter of few days. So VIX above 30 is actually a dangerous situation. VIX is around 22, and let's hope the VIX also comes down so that the market volatility decreases, because traders are facing a very difficult time, especially the non-directional option sellers. Intraday, whatever they are doing, every system is backfiring. So it has been a very, very tough time going into trade in this market conditions, where the market is making huge move on both the sides and on the same day as well. So that is all from my side for today, and hope you have a good trading day, and we will be meeting up in the post market show at around 11 to discuss and see what are the major things that have happened today and what we can expect going into the trade for tomorrow. So I'll be ending the live stream here, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.